Graph each inequality and write the solution set using both set builder and interval notations. The inequality is negative 4y minus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. We want to solve for y, so we begin by adding 3 on both sides of the inequality, and we have negative 4y is greater than or equal to 8. Now, in order to solve for y here, I'm going to multiply both sides of the inequality by negative 1/4. Whenever we multiply an inequality on both sides by a negative number, the direction of the inequality symbol must change. So I'm going to write negative 1/4 times negative 4y, and now I'm going to write that that is less than or equal to negative 1/4 times 8. Negative 1/4 times negative 4 is y, is less than or equal to negative 2. I can graph this inequality by noting that the solution is all numbers less than or equal to negative 2. So I'll mark off a 0 and a negative 2, and then I'll use a bracket at negative 2 to show that I'm including negative 2 and all numbers less than negative 2. So this is the graph of all numbers less than or equal to negative 2. The solution set in set builder notation is then the set of all y such that y is less than or equal to negative 2. And in interval notation, we have the set of numbers from negative infinity to negative 2, including negative 2.